Do you know how this shrimp gets to the bowl? In the unselected shrimp, some shrimp have sea urchin spines, some shrimp are bad. This requires us to use the color sorter to color out the bad shrimp. This is the vibrator of the color sorter. The color sorter sends shrimp to the belt by vibrator. Belt carries the shrimp to the sorting device. The high-definition camera will capture shrimp. Calculated by artificial intelligence, send the shrimp to different outlets through the jet valve, so we can get the perfect shrimp. Now, let's see the actual sorting effect.